In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish in Lovable. If you need to take a project offline, maybe you're iterating on a redesign, pausing a campaign, or cleaning up outdated content, unpublishing is the safest way to hide it from the public without deleting anything. Your assets, settings, and history stay intact. You're simply removing public access until you're ready to bring it back. Start from your Lovable home dashboard. This is the central place where you can see your recent work and navigate to everything else. From here, open the section that shows your entire workspace by choosing All Projects. This gives you a complete list so you don't miss the item you're looking for, especially if you manage multiple sites or apps. Locate the project you want to take offline. Click into that project to open it, then select the project name to move into its full detail view. Opening the project first ensures the settings you change will apply to the correct item, which is crucial in busy workspaces where names can be similar. Once you're inside the project, head to Settings. This area contains configuration options that affect visibility, publishing behavior, and other operational controls. Within Settings, choose Project Settings. Think of this tab as the place for high-level controls that impact how the project appears to the outside world. Scroll to find the Unpublished Project option. Lovable surfaces this control here so it's easy to reach but hard to trigger accidentally while you're editing content. Before you proceed, a quick tip. Unpublishing removes public access and disables the live link. It does not delete the project, and you can republish later from the same area in just a few clicks. When you're ready, click Unpublish. If you see a short confirmation message, that's simply Lovable making sure you intended to take it offline. Approve it to proceed. After the change completes, the public URL will stop serving the live site. Collaborators with the right permissions can still access the project inside Lovable, and your content remains exactly as you left it. That's it. You've successfully unpublished your project. If you need to bring it back online, return to the same project settings page and use the publish control. As a final best practice, communicate the change to your team and stakeholders, and if your project is indexed, allow a little time for search engines and caches to reflect the update. Thanks for watching and happy building.